Hello folks, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to do a very simple Hello World example. And for that, we're going to log into our developer's account, click on the username, you'll see a developer console. Click on that, this is the screen that pops up. And the first thing is we're going to go ahead and create a simple class to do a simple Hello World example. So we're going to go ahead, file new Apex class. And let's say the name of the class is Hello. So we'll have a simple method. We'll talk about what classes are in the coming tutorial. We'll create a simple method here called public static void display. A method is like a collection of different statements you execute, and each of the method has to have a scope. Like this is you start the method from here with the curly braces, you end it here. So this is kind of the boundary of the method. Similarly, you created a class, and class also has a closing and opening braces. So this is the whole class itself. Okay, and a method is declared inside a class. A method is a collection of statements that are grouped together to perform an operation. And so we're going to write statements here, statement 1, statement 2. So method is basically the group of those statements, and method gives something. Each of the method has a name. So here display is the name of the method, and each of the method takes some parameters. For example, in this case, it's not taking any parameters. But for example, if you wanted to add two numbers, so those two numbers can be stored here. You can pass those two numbers. So this is the name of the method, and this is the list of the arguments that the method takes. And void, this is the return type of the method, what the method returns. Let's say it returns an integer, does it returns a string? Based on that, you can have an integer return type, you can have a string return type. If the method does not return anything, there is no return here, then you can call it as void. We'll talk about what static is in the coming tutorials. Public is like an access. Public means it's available outside of this class, means it is available to the whole world. That's what public means. So in this method, let's say I wanted to write a couple of statements to print system.of_debug. So this is the command to display anything on the screen. So let's say and it starts with single quote. So we write a single quote here, and whatever we write in this single quote, it's going to go ahead and print as it is. So hello world, and then we're going to use a semicolon. Okay, this is how the classes is written. So we started with a class. This is the name of the class. We declared a method in the class. The method name is display. It returns nothing, so we made it as a void return type, and public is the access modifier. We'll talk about static. System.debug. So this is the command to display anything on the screen. And we have this hello world. So we wanted to display hello world. So we're going to go ahead and save it. So you can save it by clicking on the save button. Now we have saved our program. So once we do it, we're going to go ahead and execute it. So we'll go to the debug, open, execute anonymous window. And in this case, we're going to call the display method. So display method is in the hello class. So we're going to say hello.offDisplay. And once we say that, we're going to go ahead and execute it. So you're going to see this anonymous logs window. We are not interested in this. We'll just go ahead and click on the debug only checkbox. So you have seen the hello world here. Whatever you write in these single quotes, it's going to go ahead and print as it is. So if I go ahead and change it to Deepika, something like that, it's going to go ahead and print. I'm going to save it. Don't forget to save. You can always go to the file. You can save it from here. And then we're going to go ahead and execute it one more time. So we're going to go ahead and execute this. So now this time it's going to go ahead and print hello world Deepika. Okay, it's going to take a little bit time sometimes just to load it up. So when you click on this debug only checkbox, you're going to say hello world Deepika. So this is a simple hello world example that we have done. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.